Man, I was depressed, I was anxious, I was out on tour, and I felt like I was washed up, like my career was done. And so I just went back to the beginning where I started, when I started producing for myself, and I picked up that little microphone, and this melody came to mind, and I started recording it. It was like and then I put the distortion pedal on, and I made it sound like this. And that's when I started getting my courage back. Since I started remembering, yo, as long as I'm alive, as long as I got breath in my lungs, I still got a chance. See, I ain't done until I say I'm done. And guess what? I ain't done. I might turn up by myself. Hey, no, I don't need opinion. No, I did this for myself. For myself, hey, hey, yeah. I believe in me the way that I used to. I believe in me. That's all you need to do. Take the Beyonce, $1 million murder. That's what I'm feeling like. I know who I am. Death to my depression and anxiety. Death to all my stress and what I'm trying to be. Ain't number now. Say when it come. Say it when it go. I ain't done. I ain't done. I ain't done. As long as the breath in my lungs. I ain't done. I ain't done. Just came out of the winter. Just came out like a winner. Had a breakdown, could've stayed down, figure. Rather die trying than to live like quitter. Ooh, yeah, my problem big, but I know God way bigger. What you expect once you level up? Don't you know the boss is bigger? Yeah, used to spend a lot of time daring myself. Then I spent a lot of time comparing myself. Turning to the doubt, then the fear of myself. Overthinking to the point I wasn't pairing myself. Now I know why Chappelle went missing. Now I know why Brick got the Clippers. Now I know why Ye started tripping. The pressure and the expectation get ya. Oh hell, if they don't like it, I might turn up by myself. Hey, no, I don't need opinion. No, I did this for myself. For myself, hey, hey, yeah. Death to my depression and anxiety. Death to all my stress and what I'm trying to be. Ain't number now. Say when it come. Say it when it go. I ain't done. I ain't done. I ain't done. As long as the breath in my lungs. I ain't done. I ain't done. I ain't done. As long as this breath in my lungs. I ain't done. I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot. Shoot that. Hey, why not? Yeah, coming in hot. Just like the fajita. I write what I live. My life in the speaker. I'm nice with the flow. Just like the demeanor. I'm feeding my fam. I'm feeding the meter. They got the iron while I got the steamer. I bring the fire, but you never seen her. I testify, I don't need a subpoena. They want my soul, better go to Korea. I love my dog just like I'm Peter. Gotta protect him. I made the call up with just like I'm reppin'. I know we left, yeah, now we back together, but I guess that is better now. Later than never, like, what's happening? I'ma need y'all quit asking when. Me and my wife gon' have some kids. Right now we just practicing. Teacher said quit rapping, man. That gon' hurt my average. I said thank God I ain't average. Yeah, I'm a bright young man. Kill the GPA and the BPM. Look, we on. So say what you say, cause that's A with Lecrae. From the A train to the A, I'm coming in hot. I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. no big. I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Coming in. Shoot that shot. Hey, why not? Hey, yeah. I'm coming in.
Wake 'em up, wake 'em up. Wake 'em up, wake 'em up. See him still sleeping, so I had to shake 'em up. Shake 'em up. I kept it too real. I wasn't faking up. My real life was a headline. Your real life got a deadline. My timeline was a hashtag. Your timeline just a hate crime. Coming in hot, feeling like Pop. Back in 94 when he took 5 shots. Too much drive to ride your wave. Ditch my top and I'm off that lot. Black on black on black on black on black on black on black. You don't have to ball a rap to get them racks on racks. Uber poolers trying to catch my vibe and find my way. Yeah, I know I'm ratchet, but I'm really safe. Hot sauce dripping. Everybody wanna start dipping. First nobody wanna listen. Now everybody pay attention. Now everybody pay a fee. Even Trump gotta take a knee. When the horn blow, y'all gon' see. Make the wall fall down like yee. I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot the shot. I'm coming in hot.